Namaste. In today's video, we're going to discuss Muni Patanjali's Yoga Sutra 1.22. In this particular sutra, he's explained to us the different kind of yoga practitioners and how they achieve a different level of progress based on the effort that they put in. So let's look at what this sutra is all about. The sutra goes, Mridu madhyadhi matra tva tatopi visheshaha. Now let's break up each of the words and understand it even further. The first word is mridu, and this is referring to something which is quite mild or sometimes even a little below average. And so here it's referring to the effort put in by a yoga sadhak which is quite mild. The second one is known as madhya, and this is referring to something that's medium. It's also a Hindi word that we often use to refer to something that's average or just in between, in the middle. The next word is adhimatra. And here we're talking about something that's extraordinary or that is just simply very different from the average. And these are the three different words that are mridu, madhya and adhimatra, which are the three different modes in which a sadhak might operate. One might be mild, another might be quite average, and another might be quite extraordinary in the way that they approach their yoga sadhana. So this is not referring to any sort of inborn talent, but instead it's talking about the kind of effort that you choose to put in and how keen and sincere you are with your own practice. After that, the next word is tataha, which refers to in that. Then comes the next word api, which says even or also, and finally comes visheshaha. And that means with respect to that particular subject or that particular practice and how special or visheshaha you can be in it. So now let's understand this entire sutra completely. So here Muni Patanjali is simply giving us three easy categories to understand which bucket or type of sadhak we fall under. And this is a very handy way to just look at your own yogic practice and think about, are you a mild practitioner? Are you just averagely kind of doing your practice? Or are you somebody that's really sincere, dedicated, and quite extraordinary in the way that you approach the subject? So it entirely depends on how you choose to look at it and the way in which you approach your own practice. And this again is a very simple sutra just to help us to understand the different ways in which we can look at ourselves as yoga sadhaks. So I hope this has helped you to understand Sutra 1.22 even better, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video to understand the next stage of Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Thank you and Namaste.